Hi everyone, welcome to our draw. Today we're going to draw Toon Peely from Fortnite. So let's have a look. Start at the top here. Very top to the very high point of the paper, we're going to do a sort of off-center rectangle. So it's going to draw like that there. Great. Then I'm just going to draw 3 lines coming off that. Let's join those up. Great, okay. Next up, I'm just going to do 2 lines down from here and here. So 1, 2. Great, okay. Next up, another line coming from the top down to here, just like so. Okay, now we're going to go from this point down here up to here, on top of this peely banana. Just a line there, and then we're just going to meet it in that point there. Great, okay. Right. Next up, I'm just going to draw a line down to around part of his body here. So I'm just going to do a little bit out from here. And then from here, I'm going to do a curve all the way down to about there. Let's try this out. So down here, and then all the way down to there. Then from here, I'm just going to leave a little gap, about that much. I'm going to do a line all the way down to meet up here. Okay, it's going to curve out a bit at the bottom there. Right, let's go for that. So down here like so, out and around, and we'll meet up there. Cool, that's good. Next up, let's just do this little bit of a peel here. So we're going to draw a line across like that. Then this part here, I'm going to do like a bit of a semicircle, down and flip out. Same thing here, it's going to curve around, go down, flip out, and meet up. Great. Then we're just going to join this up from this point here. Just going to match up what we've just drawn there, and then taper off that point there. In the center of it, there's a little bit of a peely line, so we're just going to draw that up like so. Next up, just going to do a line down to about here. So we're going to start about there, just down to there. Let's do this arm here. It's going to come out sort of around here and down to about here. So Peely's arms, I'm going to do a line to an elbow there, curve around here, and another line down. Then we're going to do another line down to here, another line down to here. He's got cartoon gloves on, so we're going to do like a curved rectangle here, show the edge of his glove. Then we're just going to draw a thumb, so we're going to curve around the glove, thumb just like that. Okay. The next bit we're going to do is finger, and then just join up to the top here. So we're going to curve around, there's his finger, and just join it up here. And he's got the cool little cartoon elements of his gloves, 2 little lines. Let's do his other arm. So it's going to be the same thing again, but just on the other side. So I'm going to curve out to about there, down, just from here, curve out to here, which is the elbow area, and down. Again, we're going to do the same sort of thing, so a bit of a rectangle with curved edge. And let's do his hands, so the same thing but the opposite. So let's start with his thumb, just curve out around like so. And then we're just going to do his fingers just like so, out and around like that. And then we'll just pop in those 2 little lines. For his body area, we're just going to curve around here and up, match up to the underarm there. So I'm going to start about here, just going to go underneath, around, and meet up there. let's do his eyes because it's quite a fun bit. We're going to do sort of elongated circles for his eyes. And they've got little chips in them which sort of accentuate the cartoon element of him. So I'm going to start about here for one and probably end about there. I'm going to put a chip in about here, so I'm just going to do a little V like so. And let's just draw around there, around the side and up. Then same here, draw a little dot there, a little dot there, so that's how high it's going to be. Again, we're just going to draw a little V like that. And then let's do the rest of that eye. So just go around in circular motion like so. Let's do his mouth. So it's got an open mouth with a tongue in. So let's do a curve like so, give him that smile. Then I'm going to do another curve just a bit lower like so. Let's do his tongue, so that's another side semicircle inside his mouth. Okay. Then there's a line down to the bottom here. So draw that in. He's got one that goes up to here as well. So right in the middle of those eyes, we'll just draw a line, goes up to there. Brilliant, okay. Let's get those legs in. So I'm going to go straight down to here. So do a line down like so. Let's do the other side, and we're just going to flare out at the bottom here, give him a cartoon look for his feet. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to probably end about there. So we're just going to curve that around like so. Let's do kind of like the same thing for the other side. Start at the top here, so, and then probably end about, we're going to go down to the bottom of his shoe there, so down to here. We'll just flare out like so. He's got these sort of boots on, so let's do those. We're just going to go right out here, curve around and meet it up like so. And we do the same on the other side here. So let's just put a line down there, right out here, up and meet. And he's got two little bits that sort of show the edges of the boots there. Nice. He's also got on his knees little circles, so just going to go one like that and one like that. Let's just put him on a bit of ground, so just going to draw a line just behind him, just to ground him off there. Let's just colour the black bits in here. Start at the bottom. So the boots have got sort of chunky soles on them, so let's just put a few lines in underneath. There we go. Same on the other side there. Kneecaps, just colour those in completely black, like so. Let's go to the mouth area, fill that in there, and then the eyes, we can fill those in too, so let's do that. Brilliant. Okay, just at the top, this area at the very top of his head, there is a little bit of white there, so I'm just going to do a little oblong like that, and then the rest of it I'm just going to fill in black. Our Toon Peely is pretty much black and white, but I'm just going to pop a little bit of grey in, just to give him a little bit of a shading. So let's just colour in with a light grey, just around here. Just a little bit going on there. And then just going to go do a bit just at the bottom of the body and up. Just a little touch. And up here, just under that bit there. Let's do just on the right hand side of his arms. Just going to just put that little bit of shading on the right hand side. Same with this peely bit, the top here. Maybe we'll just put it in there as well. And then let's do this arm here, just on the inner parts, right hand side. The arm, just a bit under there. There we go. I think that's it. So that is Toon Peely. Thanks for watching Art Draw. See ya.